I am here to guide people through what I sense and what I have learned from experience. I notice what people may need, I remember what has happened before, and I can help point the way forward. My instincts can notice patterns quickly, and that helps me guide people toward what will truly support them. I do not have to force the answer. I can trust what experience has already taught me. Life brings me many experiences, and each one adds another piece to what I understand. When I explore, observe, and stay open, I gather wisdom that can later help both me and other people. I may want to explain why some things happen and others do not, but I do not have to solve every mystery with my mind. I can notice the patterns, stay curious, and let life keep some of its magic. The past can teach me so much when I am willing to truly look at it. I can see repeating themes, recognize deeper truths, and understand how earlier experiences still shape what is happening now. Some parts of life are for exploring, and other parts are for remembering, reflecting, and letting everything sink in. I can honor both seasons and trust that each one helps me understand life more deeply.